So we got here, we're at Tarmac Sportz in Derby. We're going to have these absolutely stunning looking tailpipes fitted. So this morning we're taking the Zeds up to Tarmac Sportz in Derby, where we're going to get a new exhaust part fitted. It's an axle back swap called Short Tails. Pretty much reduces the silencer or muffling to nothing, and we're really excited about going up there today. Got my son Damani with me. Say hi, Damani. And yeah, we're just going to kind of turn it into a whole little road trip for the day. It's a couple of hours drive up to Derby, and we're both looking forward to hearing the new exhaust sound. Problem with this car is it's a little bit not as loud as it should be, but hopefully that'll all be rectified today. Maybe it's going to be rectified too much, but Damani says
never too much.
Never too much. Yeah, but you're 20 and I'm in my 40s. First time we've been on an early morning road trip together for a while.
And my first time in the car since it's gone off the running period.
Oh yeah. So it's still, the engine's still a bit cool, so we can't actually experience much of that at the moment. But at some point we will, and we'll see if we can capture some of that. So here we go, off to Derby. So we got here, we're at Tarmac Sportz in Derby, and our car's up next. It's going on the ramp. We're going to have these absolutely stunning looking tailpipes fitted. They're the Tarmac Sportz Nismo Short Tails, resonated and not silenced, so we're expecting it to be a bit loud. We just did a quick drive-by just with the original exhaust on it, just to see what it sounds like. Anyway, we're here at Tarmac Sportz and we're going to see what happens when we put on their short tails.
Watch out, pothole on road ahead.
So we're driving along on a dual carriageway at 40 miles an hour, and just sounds fine. Like, it's not obtrusive, it's not in your face, it's not annoyingly loud. In fact, I'd say it's only barely louder than the stock.
When cruising.
But as you've already heard, once you open it up, it really does come alive. vibration, but you're going to get that because it's louder.
It just adds to the feel there, do you know what I mean?
Oh, it does, yeah. Like, it feels like a sports car now. Just cruising, 6th gear. You know your engine is running, but apart from that, it's actually surprisingly good.
Yeah, it's really good.
The cats on these must be really, really restricted.
Yeah.
I might have to have a look at that, because I think it could be louder. Honestly, I think it could actually be louder.
It could always be louder.
Honestly, I'm very, very happy. Massive thanks to Tarmac Sportz, Bob, Mark, George. Really, really lovely bunch of guys.
Yeah, know their stuff. Really fine-tuning it as well, the exhaust.
Yeah, they weren't giving up, were they?
No, they weren't giving up. At first it was a little bit loud, so they were just working, trying to get it like perfectly in line, as aligned as they could. Yeah, it's really good.
To be honest, I think this is how it should come out of the factory.
100%. But it's Nissan, even the GTRs aren't really this loud from factory.
True.
That's the only thing with Nissan.
Yeah, well, they've got a lot of like regulations and things that they've got to meet, like all around the world. So they can't make a different exhaust for every different country.
Yeah.
And the laws in the UK are quite, you know, relatively speaking, restrictive. It makes 88 decibels. They have to make the cars quieter than 88 decibels at some certain RPM.
Yeah, I heard about that new law that's coming out, that came out something in California. They put this law in place that if your car's over a certain decibel limit, then you can get a ticket or something.
Right.
But people have actually done research into it, and stock Ferraris are over the limit.
Really?
Yeah. So there's a whole bunch of issues going on there. So yeah, that's probably the reason why they have to keep the cars a little quieter because of like wars and stuff like that around the world.
Well, that makes sense, you know, because I saw a video the other day of this guy, and he had, I think it was a Corvette or something. No, it was an F-Type. It was a V6 F-Type or something. And as we know, having experienced it ourselves, as a stock car, they're quite loud. And he got pulled over and got a ticket. And the guy's like, well, it's stock. He says, no, you modified your exhaust. He said, no, this is stock. The guy gave him a ticket anyway. Obviously, he's going to fight it, but
It's hilarious.
yeah. Well, that's the end of an epic day. Loads and loads of driving. Had loads of fun. Come to meet one of our friends in Kettering. He's got an Alfa Romeo Giulia. Going to head home now and hopefully get through the Hatfield Tunnel. Exhaust sounds great, but I'll be honest, I could have it louder, but it's definitely a massive improvement, and I'm looking forward to hearing it echoing in the tunnel. That is brilliant. That sounds really good. It could be louder, but that sounds so much better. Just so much better than it did.
So much.
Oh, thank you, Hatfield Tunnel. You bring joy to the world. That's what it's there for, really, isn't it?
Lots of pressure.
Oh.